Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with the final walkthrough of our project in Leawood, Kansas. We have just finished up getting the new set of stairs put in right here. But yeah, everything turned out pretty well on this job. Got the floor poured yesterday. So yeah, we're just getting the sawdust and everything cleaned up now. We've got all the excess dirt from all of the extra excavation we did under the floor here, under this footing for our keyway lock system. So not only did we pour the walls that you see around the perimeter, but these we actually dug further underneath the footing and poured concrete and vibrated it so that we could actually get concrete up on the other side of the footing, just to really make sure everything was properly reinforced there. So yeah, I'd say everything turned out pretty well on this project. I'm happy to get everything finished here. We got 2 new support posts installed on top of new footings within the new walls, so everything is right where it needs to be. So if we are your foundation and repair needs, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call. You can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always check us out on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.